If you share your phone with kids or want to control the content you see online, whether to block or access adult videos, this guide can help. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll to Settings and Privacy and select it. Then, go to Settings, scroll down to Content Preferences, and tap Manage Default. Here, you'll find settings for sensitive content. If Show Less is selected, Facebook will block or limit adult videos, which is ideal for child-friendly usage. To enable adult videos on Facebook, tap Show Less to access more options. Select Default and confirm the change. For YouTube, open the YouTube app on your phone, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then tap the gear icon for settings. Navigate to General Settings and scroll to Restricted Mode. When Restricted Mode is enabled, YouTube blocks adult content. To allow access to adult videos, turn off Restricted Mode. To block content for kids, keep Restricted Mode enabled.